Thank you so much Ate Mary Ann sa pa-Valentine's gift. So ito po ay attar oil, uh, French perfume oil. Wow. So siya, French perfume oil. Wow. Thank you Ate Mean. Happy Valentine's to all guys. So tignan natin, bubuksan natin guys. Amoyin natin. Yay! Yahoo! Happy Valentine's! Amoyin natin guys. Bango guys. Mashallah, ang bango guys. Wow, thank you very much. Thank you very much Ate Mean for the gift. Happy Valentine's to you and for everyone guys. Happy Valentine's. Yay! So pwede ko na siyang ilagay sa aking guys. Yan guys. Yahoo! Bango ko na guys. Ang bango-bango ko na. So guys, kakain muna nga pala ako. Nandito ako sa McDonald's. So kakain po ako ng aking lunch. Ang daming ginagawa ngayon sa work. So babalik pa ako ng maaga. Bye bye you. Happy Valentine's. Mama chup chup.